Hey guys, so here we are. I thought I'd do a different video today, and got a little bit of wind out today. It seems to have sucked off a little bit, but when I left home, of course, it was a bit windier. But being out there in the ocean, I know that the winds will be up. So I thought I'd give the DJI Mini a test, get it out there. We've got about 25 km/h winds. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so we're heading out towards the ocean here just to give it a bit of a go, and it's not in FPV mode, it's locked in stabilized mode there, as you can see, but I think I switched it out just here. There we go, FPV mode, and it seems to be going pretty well. I know that once we get a little bit higher up, that's when you can really feel the winds with this drone in this area, because it's a fairly open water area where the wind just channels down there. And on days like today, when it's about 25 km/h winds, you certainly get the notifications. But just playing around the edge here, and I'll tell you what guys, this is an awesome drone. I really love this DJI Mini 2. It does everything that you need it to, especially now with that FPV mode. It's pretty cool. So I've switched over here to the phone so you can see what's going on, and you can see any warnings or anything that pop up. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have a DJI Mini 2 and what you think of it, because I really like it. You know, it does, as I've said before, it does everything that I need it to. It doesn't quite go upside down and do backflips and things, but you know what? That's okay. I'm happy with that. This is designed for cinematic photography, and it does that really well. So small and compact, that's what I like. And just reliable. You can send it out over the water without a problem. Now you can see here it's in FPV mode. See the angle on the horizon? Those winds are really up, and it struggles. So I've just switched it over there. There's the warning. So I've switched it over to the normal stabilized mode, non-FPV mode, whatever you call it. And even with it stabilized, I mean, it just does such a good job. You wouldn't know that the winds were as strong as they were. This drone does such a good job. Another thing I like there is on the bottom left, you can see the little map thing that shows you where you can go home. Helps you with your orientation, because quite often I do think, where am I? So it's great. Down she goes. Well, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already bought one of these DJI Mini 2s, you need to get right to it. It is the best drone. It does everything you need to do with it. You know, I definitely have no regrets. Great price, great quality, and see you in the next one.